Hello there, welcome to Watson's Daily TV. I'm Peter Watson and I'm here with my take on two major topics in today's business news distilled for you in 3 minutes. Can I beat this buzzer? Today I'm going to talk about Neil Woodford's woes and the success of meat substitutes. There is a whole ton of news today on Neil Woodford, the ex-Invesco star fund manager who has been suffering with rough performance of late. Funds outflows have been sizable, with his funds under management now £3.7 billion versus the £10.2 billion he had at its peak in May 2017. His funds have taken some massive hits due to disastrous performances from stocks including Kia, Provident Financial and Purple Bricks, and he's had to ban fund outflows for the moment to give him a chance to sell off illiquid and unquoted stocks from the fund. Investors are naturally angry, but Woodford just has to do this, otherwise things would get even worse. I mentioned this today because the amount of press it's getting, but ultimately it's just about a fund manager who's had some bad performance, and that happens to everyone because no one wins all the time. Still, he is probably the UK's most well-known fund manager, so the higher the profile, the harder they fall. The other thing I wanted to talk about today was the success of meat substitutes. Basically, it seems that the uptake of meat alternatives continues to rise strongly over in the US. According to research from a company called Technomic, 15% of US restaurants offered meatless burgers in March versus only 3% a year ago. With increased uptake from chains such as White Castle, TGI Fridays and Red Robin Gourmet Burgers, meatless burger producers Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are struggling to keep up with demand. Although production costs are still high, I would have thought that they will go down over time as producers scale up. But in the meantime, meatless hype has almost quadrupled Beyond Meat's share price since its flotation last month. Although cynics say that this is all a fad, I really think that when you've got a product that is healthier, better for the environment and tastes this good, you just can't ignore the potentially massive size of the market. Other than that, in my Watson's Daily online blog that you can find on watsonsdaily.com, I talk about the prospects of US interest rate cuts, Salesforce's positive outlook and AO World's mixed fortunes. Anyway, Watson's Daily is intended to give you the essence of the day's commercial news with opinion. You can read the whole thing in anything between 1 and 7 minutes, so please go to watsonsdaily.com to find out more if you're interested. See you tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Watson, out.